that point, it would be perfectly acceptable. And then, mind you, it's not a perfect science. Sometimes they can join. Maybe Obatala wants a tres leche at the foot of the mountain, and the mountain wants some too. It could happen, right? But it has to come out like that, either in the osode or the reading, or it has to be literally in that odu, which once again is pretty uncommon. Now, here's the thing as well, is we spoke about the calling of the Orisha or the calling of the energy, etc. So let's say you have an offering of a pumpkin at the river, not to Ochum, to the river. When you go, mind you, you have to get the river's attention. The river is flowing, all these different things. When we go to make offerings to spaces in nature, we have to do a fomo yuba. We have to invoke the obi. We have to present the obi. We have to identify it with the person's ori with that space in nature at that moment. And then once we get a positive response, then the river is ready to receive. We have to open up that portal and that gateway, right? It can be very unproductive to go to a space in nature without doing these proper functions, because not only could it be unproductive where we actually waste a whole trip to the river, a pumpkin, our energy, and all these other things, we could actually leave ourselves open to negative after effects, right? Because when you go, possibly as an uninitiated person, to any of these spaces in nature, not everything there is positive.